Mac operating systems also have extensive accessibility options available for you to use. For this video, we will be focusing on the latest version of Mac OS, Sonoma. To gain access to the accessibility features in Sonoma, you must first open the Accessibility menu. Start by selecting the Apple menu icon, then choose System Settings. From here, scroll down until you see Accessibility. This is your Accessibility Settings menu, and where you can adjust your Mac settings to be most compatible with you. There are 5 main categories listed on this page: Vision, Hearing, Motor, Speech, and General. Let's go through them one by one. The Vision category contains settings that allow you to adjust how things look on your Mac. This includes voiceover options, as well as a way for your Mac to provide both spoken and braille descriptions of your screen, which can be useful for people with vision impairment. You can also set ways to zoom in or out on your screen using the touchpad or keyboard shortcuts. The Display subsection allows you to manipulate the color and other options of your screen, including filters, motion reduction, transparency, contrast, and the ability to shake the mouse pointer to enlarge and find it. Different forms of color vision deficiency have different shades that are easier to see than others. Being able to adjust color and contrast allows you to find the best combination for your viewing. There are additional voiceover options under Spoken Content and Descriptions that allow you to adjust the voice type, language, speed, and volume, and what content is spoken. Everyone takes in information at different speeds, and we recommend adjusting these settings to be more comfortable for you. The hearing settings allow you to display visual cues when a sound is played. It can be useful to have multi-sensory forms of alerts, as someone who has a hearing impairment may not find an audio cue as helpful as a visual cue. Background noise can be configured in this section. You can set a constant noise to help you relax. For someone who might be susceptible to sensory overload or someone in a noisy area, this can be a welcome break from outside stimuli. This section also includes the ability to set captions for your audio, including subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing, rather than standard subtitles. Motor settings allow you to control your Mac using voice commands, with the ability to add new types of commands. This can be helpful for those with motor impairments or arthritis. It also allows you to have full control of your Mac through a keyboard alone, bypassing the need for a mouse. You can also adjust mouse and pointer settings, as well as set up a switch control to operate the Mac. The Live Speech option will have the Mac verbalize your typed words aloud. Someone who has trouble speaking may find this option to be a useful way to generate voice content through typed words, especially for voice and video applications like FaceTime. The last section is the General section. Here you can choose whether to type commands to Siri rather than speak them verbally, and turn off various accessibility shortcuts.